Hello, welcome to our Key Stage 1 singing assembly. Today we're going to be learning a song in French about elephants, which is really good fun. But first we better warm our voices up and put our hands in the air and go hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. Okay, now what about this song? It's about one elephant. Can you do me a lovely elephant trunk with your hands? One elephant, and that's in French, un éléphant, qui se balançait, who was on the swing. He's swinging. Woohoo! Do you know what he's swinging on? He is swinging on the web of a spider. He's on a spider's web. There's the web and there's the spider. So, un éléphant qui se balançait sur une toile d'araignée. So there's this elephant on a spider's web, obviously, what could be more normal. And qui trouvait ce jeu, he found this game tellement amusant. Ha! He's laughing, it's so funny. He found that so much fun that very soon there came, come on, can you guess? A second elephant. So there was one elephant and then there was another elephant. So now how many elephants have we got on the web of the spider? La toile d'araignée. 2. Uh-oh. So then we sing 2 elephants, 2 éléphants. 2 éléphants qui se balançaient sur une toile d'araignée. Et qui trouvait ces jeux, honestly, Mrs. Grayson, et qui trouvait ce jeu, and who found this game tellement amusant. So funny. They found that game so funny que tout à coup, that all of a sudden, oh no, that's the end bit, not that bit. Qui bientôt vint, that soon there came, un troisième éléphant. What do you think 3 means? 1, 2, 3. So now there are 3 elephants on a spider's web. That's a bit crazy, isn't it? Can you do me the web? Using your middle fingers, make a little circle like the spider's web, and then the spider running away. Shall we have a go? Have a listen. See what you think. And my favourite bit is the ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum at the beginning. Have a go at that as well. Here we go. Ba-dum, ba-dum, dum, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Qui se balançait sur une toile d'araignée et qui trouvait ces jeux tellement amusants que bientôt vint un deuxième éléphant. We've got 2 now. Ba-dum, 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 dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. 2 éléphants qui se balançaient sur une toile d'araignée et qui trouvait ces jeux tellement amusants que bientôt vint un troisième éléphant. Now we've got 3. Ba-dum, 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 dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. 3 éléphants qui se balançaient sur une toile d'araignée et qui trouvaient ces jeux tellement amusants que tout à coup, boom! What do you think happened at the end of that song. First there was one elephant swinging on a spider's web, and then there were two elephants swinging on a spider's web, and then there were three elephants swinging on a spider's web, and then all of a sudden the spider's web broke. I'm not surprised with three elephants on it. Now, see if you can do some of the actions, like you can do the elephant, and you can maybe do the swinging, and maybe you can make the spider's web, and there's the spider. Maybe you could do the laughing face with your finger and thumb. It's like you're opening and closing your mouth to laugh. Ha ha ha, funny, 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 amusant. And then, come on, let's have another elephant. So if we come on, we have one elephant, then we'll have two elephants, and then we'll have three elephants. And then, tout à coup, all of a sudden, boom! Spider's web breaks. Shall we have another go? But definitely join in with the dum, ba-dum, dum, ba-dum, 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 dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. That's my favourite bit. Okay, let's have another go. See how we go. Here we go. Ba-dum, ba-dum, dum, ba-dum, 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 dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Un éléphant qui se balançait sur une toile, toile à toile, toile d'araignée, et qui trouvait ces jeux tellement amusants que bientôt vint un deuxième éléphant. Ba-dum, ba-dum, dum, ba-dum, 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 dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Deux éléphants qui se balançaient sur une toile, 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 toile d'araignée, et qui trouvaient ce jeu tellement amusant qu'il bientôt vint un troisième éléphant. We've got three now. Boom, ba-dum, dum, ba-dum, 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 dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Trois éléphants qui se balançaient sur une toile, 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 toile d'araignée, et qui trouvaient ce jeu tellement amusant, et bientôt, oh, what happened? Boom! Not et bientôt, que tout à coup. Tout à coup, can you say that? Tout à coup. Tout à coup means suddenly. Have a go. Tout à coup. Tout à coup. Tout à coup. What happened? The spider's web broke. Okay, right, I think we better have one of our songs. How about we do sleeping bunnies? Like sleeping bunnies, don't we? Let's have a go. Everybody lying down, sleeping, have a rest. Here we go. Do you know how to do this? You have to pretend to be a sleeping bunny, and then when I say wake up now, you have to get up and jump and hop and skip, whatever the song says, okay? But first, very still, lying down. See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall I come and gently wake them with a merry tune? Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up now, jump little bunnies, jump, 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 jump little bunnies, jump, 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 jump little bunnies, jump, 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 jump little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Oh, but then you've got to go back to sleep again, lying down very quietly. Here we go. See the little bunny skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Oh my goodness me, are you worn out? I'm definitely worn out. Okay, I think that's enough for one day. Let us put our hands up in the air and go, goodbye high, goodbye low. Goodbye high, goodbye low. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye fast. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye fast. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. See you next time.